Alright folks, exporting custom visuals in Power BI is like packing your bags before a big trip. You want everything to be in order. First, make sure your visual meets all the Power BI requirements. Then, use the developer tools to bundle it up nicely. Generating the pbiviz file is like printing your boarding pass, it's essential. Finally, upload and test it to ensure it shines. Because let's face it, no one wants a glitchy visual. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine Power BI as a blank canvas and custom visuals as your fancy paintbrushes. With custom visuals, you can go beyond basic charts and create something truly unique. JavaScript and TypeScript become your artistic tools, helping you build visuals that provide deeper insights. Because let's be honest, a well-crafted visual can turn a boring dashboard into a masterpiece. Now, who's ready to level up their Power BI games? Let's face it, standard visuals can get the job done, but do they wow the audience? Not really. Custom visuals allow you to cater to complex visualization needs, making reports more engaging and interactive. Want your reports to match your brand? Custom visuals have got your back. Plus, they make storytelling a breeze. Because a boring report is like a joke with no punchline, just plain sad. Let's start by generating the pbiviz files. First, install the required dependencies. Yes, that means a bit of setup, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, configure your development environment so everything runs smoothly. Then, use the command line tools to package your custom visual. And of course, no deployment is complete without testing. Make sure your visual behaves as expected before shipping it off. If anything breaks, don't panic, debugging is just part of the journey. Importing custom visuals into Power BI is like adding a secret ingredient to your favorite dish. It makes everything better. First, download your visual package and ensure it's ready to go. Then use Power BI's import from file feature. It's easier than finding your lost TV remote. Once imported, check that your visual integrates well with reports. Finally, tweak its settings for that extra polish. A little customization goes a long way. Using custom visuals in Power BI reports is where things get exciting. First, place the visual on your report canvas. It's like choosing the perfect frame for a painting. Then, modify data fields to ensure your visual performs efficiently. Don't forget to explore formatting options because appearances matter. Finally, test interactions with other elements. Your visual should play nicely with its neighbors. After all, a great visual should both look good and work flawlessly. Sharing custom visuals is all about spreading the magic. First, package your visual so others can enjoy it too. Then distribute it through the Power BI service or any platform that suits your needs. Make sure it works across different Power BI versions, because compatibility issues are nobody's favorite surprise. Lastly, include documentation to guide users. It's like a user manual, but hopefully less confusing than IKEA instructions. Alright folks, we've covered a lot today, some big ideas, some great insights, and probably a few aha moments. So let's wrap it up. First, a quick summary of what we discussed, because a great presentation always leaves you with something to remember. Then where do we go from here? Next steps. Whether it's applying what you've learned, sharing feedback, or diving deeper into the topic, action matters. And before we part ways, a friendly reminder, learning doesn't stop when the slides do. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's make progress together. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.